Guys, what is up guys, it's DJ from Jealous. Today I'm making a video. I'm showing you my slime that got ruined by Mickey. I was trying to make butter slime, but it messed up because I used air dry clay instead of modern magic clay, and I thought it would work. Because at first it was really stretchy, it was working. Then I put it in their containers. The next day, opened it, and I put a little and I guess I put color change in it, and I guess we changed different color. Then I just put it in, since I forgot I have no jars, so I made a big one. It turned this color, and I just put them in containers that of my Play-Dohs, and I put beads in here because before it was really crunchy. Hold on, let me try to get one now. Okay, look, watch. Here it is. Wait. There it is. Yeah. So it got messed up, and I'm making this video just tell you, don't make slime with air dry clay. It gets ruined. I'm going to try making slime when we go back to my house. I'm sorry I look like this. I just got out of the shower.
And I've been at the shower 2 hours, no, 3 hours ago.
I don't know. And look at, I just stupid watch. Just watch this. You could at least poke it. I have hiccups, guys, sorry. You could still poke it and everything. It's very good slime, but the thing is, it turned to not stretchy no more. Not super stretchy. Watch. That bee just came up. You gotta pick it up before the dog's eat it. Just look at it. It's so terrible, you guys. Cool. Yeah. I may throw this one away, but this is just showing you not to make it. So yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow.